Hi, my name is Tutu the Niger Babe, and today I'll be filming this what I need to look like. This very quick, very simple, in less than 20 minutes you're done. And the secret today is to use the lipstick color. The very first thing you want to do is moisturize your face. So I'm using the Mary Kay Time Wise Night Recovery Moisturizer. I'm using the Maybelline Master Primer. I'll be using the Rimmel London foundation. Is Match Perfect, and this is Deep Mocha. Yeah, smells good. This is the best smelling foundation I know. If you know any other one, please put it in the comment section. This foundation smells so good. You have no idea. Like, your face is looking perfect and your neck is asking for help. Like, don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. Everybody's wondering. They just don't want to tell you. Trust me, they're looking at you. But for the LA Pro, and I use Bronze 2 for the Mary Kay. Just trust me. The end will be bad, as in bed. I'll be using Ezekiel powder palette for the most of today. So I'll take some of the white powder. Use the set. And for the nose, I use the side of the brush, like just this side. Then I stroke it through the nose. Then before I use the entire powder for my face, I always do the 3 things people like to do after they use the powder. I'm just going to use the powder to contour my face. Next, I'll contour my nose using the same powder. Then I blush my face. All of this is before I use my powder. I use J Cuts every day finish. My blush was by Jordana, by the way. For the highlighter, J Cuts. So I do all of this before forehead. Spread it around very thinly. I do this also very thin over my nose, and then I use my finger for my nose. Then I powder my entire face. Yeah. See, I told you to be patient. Same forehead gang. Hello. These days I'm loving my forehead, and you have no idea how much I love this forehead. It's beautiful. Space on your face to paint. Plenty space. Paint it. But if your hair starts here, I like to also set my face, and I'll be using the Hush Beauty Illuminating Glow Mist. I'll just use this and I'll put 2 pumps on my face. 3. We did take a bath. 4. 5. This thing does not have a name. You don't need to buy very expensive products to look good. This thing stays all day, trust me. When you come back, you come and wash your face anyway. Next, I take this brush and I dab it into powder and blend it out, and that's it. You go back with your brush and blend it out. So that's what I do. And then I set my face with the Rimmel London Brow This Way Brow Styling Gel. I don't know what number, but this is what I'm talking about. And next you go to the eyeshadow, and this is what I'll be using. Jaclyn Hill Polymorphe X Jaclyn Hill, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. I use this brush. Then I go back with the brown I showed you earlier, and just take this more sturdy brush because I need to pack some products and focus on one corner. Then I go with the very deep brown and I go to the corners. Yeah, just blend it in. I go back with this brush and I blend it in. And then I go with a little, just a very little black, very little black, you know, just to make the brown deeper. Just touch and go. The concentration is still brown, but I just want it a little deeper. Again, I blend. I use this flatter brush to get what I wanted to get. Yeah. To wipe off, and yeah, subtle, voila. So this will be going in, and my Maybelline Colossal, I won't even use an eyelash. This is just good enough. So trick with this is I use the tip, the very tip, to pack some products, and I use it to separate my lashes. Then I curl up. So watch, let me show you this place. So this tip, finally, the lips. I'm using Jordana pencils today. I don't even know Jordana. I don't even know anybody in Jordana, but these are the best, more affordable lipsticks you can use that are matte. So I've also transitioned from matte to glossy using the Patrick Star. So this is it. Here it goes. Love this. It's dry. I'll take a few shots and I'll be right back. As you can see, I've done my hair properly and I'm wearing earrings, and I hope you like the finished look. Yeah, so very subtle, very simple, but vavoom, you can use it to, you know, quickie. One simple lipstick can change your entire look. You know, the color can just change your entire look. I'm not a fan of the dry look. I'm a fan of the glossy look, so I always like to, you know, when I get my product down, if you use only this, you won't get that red. So I use this to get the product shiny. This is the Patrick Star MAC lip gloss. Yeah, very nice, really nice. And yeah, so yeah, try this, let me know, and don't forget to click the like button, share the video, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Yes, looking pink, as in no flashbacks, nothing. Yeah, bye guys.